कहते हैं कि शॉर्ट कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए स्मोकिंग की तरह होता है, उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से लॉन्ग कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए एक ब्रेन वर्कआउट होता है. वेलकम टू TRS क्लिप्स.
I think the biggest lesson I've learned in the last couple of years is that the only person who's going to be there for yourself is you. You know, so you've got to make your mind, your emotional space, a good space to be in, because literally the only person who's going to be there for you is you.
You broke up.
Ranveer. Oh my god. No, it wasn't like that. I think it was much more complicated than that.
Okay.
It was more of a situation, not a situationship. It was more of a, I don't know what that means exactly, situationship. I've been trying to wrap my head around it, hanging out with the Gen Z badge. But
What is the situation for Gen Z?
I still don't get it. It seems like an open relationship to me.
It's not open relationship. Like, you are in relationship also, but you are not fully committed.
That is an open relationship, na?
But you are not looking for others also.
You're just not.
Then why are you not committed?
You're not giving it a tag of
Yeah.
like
It's
partner.
complicated.
Beyond my understanding.
Yeah.
But yeah, situations, I think.
Okay. We weren't talking about a situationship here.
Yeah.
This was a
This
relationship.
was a relationship.
Mutually parted ways. Because
You
this was
can
not the
say
father of
that.
your children.
No, this was not. Yeah.
It's a very millennial to millennial conversation.
Yeah.
Even for guys, you're looking for a girl who could be the mother of your children. And
But
vice versa.
eventually it is that. I think it's a very primal thought, right? to
At the stage of
have.
life we're at, where career is like
Yeah.
established now. Now you're looking for
Yeah.
life. There's so much more to life than building a career.
100% yes. I mean, that's how I look at my work. Yeah, I love my work, but it's my job. You know, my
Yeah.
job is not my life.
Yeah.
Life is beyond that. I need to be happy, fulfilled. I need to have a life beyond my work.
What are your green flags as a partner?
My green flags, I think it would be understanding, loving,
Softness.
softness,
Nurturing.
too nurturing.
Hmm.
I told you know that motherly. So now I want someone who'll take care of me. That would be great.
I think every human wants someone to take care
No,
of them.
I think so.
I used to think it's every man
Yeah.
wants a girl who will take care of
Yeah.
them, but girls want it too.
Yeah. So I think all of that, and at some level, I think very, like, what's the right way to say this? Not helping, but very like united in a way where things always become about us more than you and me. So I would do as much for the other person as I would for myself.
Do you want an ambitious man?
Not very ambitious. No.
Should know where to draw the line.
Yeah, should know that this is work and life is more important.
Hmm.
Not very ambitious, no. Like ambitious, maybe I would want a hardworking man, but not a very like only ambition, no.
Have you dated that? Only ambition?
No,
Okay.
no.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Because you hear a lot of women saying they're attracted to ambition, but there's a flip side to ambition,
I think there is.
which is damage from childhood, which is like lots of time given to work, which is obsession
Yeah.
with work.
And I feel like somewhere people like that, like ambition is a great thing. So I'm a very ambitious person, but I'm a very satisfied ambitious person. It's a very contradictory thing, I know.
Satiated.
Yeah, satiated but ambitious. So I'm not like dying for something. It's great if it comes. I'll put in my best, but I'm good. I know this is all temporary. One day it'll be gone. They'll be like, who is Nidhi? Which is fine. Great.
Feel like this is
No problem.
Nidhi ka Swayamvar.
I
episode.
think so. Hannah, it's becoming like that.
Do you mind though?
Not really. It's okay. if not now, then when, right? So why not? But what was I saying? Yeah. So united.
One thing I can tell you, based on me getting to know you over the course of this episode, is that you need someone, I think, you need someone outside of media.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
I agree with
Like-
you. I mean, there are some great people even,
Yeah,
you know, in our industry. But I feel like the amount of dependability that I would require from my partner would be more.
Yeah. There, is a joy in not having any element of fame around one's life and not being into the concept of fame. I've seen
Yeah.
this in few people, and they're some of the happiest people I know.
Yeah, I mean, I meet some people, okay, they're so excited about going out on a Friday night. They're so excited about watching like a film or traveling somewhere. And I'm like, this is nice.
Yeah.
This is nice actually. It's a good change from even my own mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I think the chase for fame dictates a lot of other decisions. A lot.
Yeah.
So that factor's not there in the first
Yeah.
place.
True.
As long as one is not being obsessive about money, but just knowing how to manage it well and kind of earning it,
Yeah.
that's the sweet spot, according to me, based on all the people I've met.
Yeah. And even for me, like in terms of money, I feel like for me, money is something that I have a very healthy relationship with. Maybe because my name is Nidhi, so the name has
Oh, your
money.
name is Nidhi Agarwal.
Yeah. Agarwal, so there's money and money. No, but I think I have a very healthy relationship with money where I don't know, I'm good with it. I'm not obsessive, but I love it. But at the same time, like I'm good. Like I don't think too much about it. And even in terms of my future, I don't think that would be like a very big factor that I'm looking for. How usually people do. For me, it's not that important.
Do you like expensive gifts?
I like to see, I like to be, no, not really. I like to be in a place where if I like something, I should be able to buy it. I don't have to think about how much it costs. And I don't need to plan that, okay, can I buy this? I don't want to be in that space. As long as I'm not in that space, I'm good. Then it doesn't matter how much it is. And that would come from my income. So I'm not like looking for someone to be dependent on that person. That's something that I'm very scared of, which is also a part of the reason why I think I'm independent, is because I don't want to depend on anyone for anything.
Manifesting a nice South Indian
South Indian.
business boy. Who
Oh
also
God.
understands Shani. and
Doesn't have
spiritual
to be
things.
South Indian though. Whatever.
I think it would be good
a
for you.
nice
Nice
boy
boy.
with
Nice
a good
Indian
family.
boy.
With a good family.
Good family.
Good upbringing.
Not like a family where they step in and kind of dissect the relationship.
I mean, like joint family or like a very involved family is great, but they should be good people. That's important.
Because one marries the family and not just the individual.
Absolutely, yeah.
This has been a spectacular conversation. I can talk to you.
I think we've spoken so much about my marriage on this episode. My mother is going to be very happy to watch this
Hi,
episode.
ma'am. You're most welcome. Don't worry. We got this covered. You will also face those "Shadi kar lo beta" conversation.
All the time.
yeah.
My mom is so all my relatives are getting married, right? Like people younger than me are getting married, and my mom is having like panic attacks.
How do you feel attending those shadis?
Honestly, I feel great, but people around me feel like, oh, she didn't get married. And I'm like, I'm good,
Do boys come up to you and pitch themselves saying, "Hey, Nidhi Agarwal, we had this marriage"?
Yeah, no. Well, that hasn't happened, but I mean, that does happen. The whole marriage conversation does come up.
Do guys approach you and just pitch
Yeah.
themselves for marriage?
Yeah, I mean, not like come and say, hi, I want to marry you. Not like that, but
If someone did, how would you feel?
I don't know. I mean, it depends on who.
Energy.
Energy, vibe, intention. Depends on who.
But there have been like approaches for possible marriage
Yeah.
without saying it's an approach. for her.
Yeah.
And what's your protocol?
My protocol it depends on who the person is. So
Okay.
as of now, no.
Okay.
Haven't.
Can you just describe your ideal husband?
Ideal husband. The most wonderful man on this planet. Yeah, that would be my ideal husband.
That's it?
Person. The most wonderful person. Heart.
Calm, collected.
Calm, collected, respectful, loving, kind. Very important.
Unmedia-esque.
Very unmedia-esque.
Nice.
No planning, plotting, all that. I can't because I myself don't do that. I
Lots
wish
of
I did sometimes. Because if I
young
did, I would be very good at it.
planning and plotting.
Yeah, but I don't. I don't have the energy.
Visualizing lots of men all over going, yes, Nidhi Agarwal, DMing you right now.
Oh God, so my DMs are going to be now of the Shadi Rishtas.
I'm not even kidding. That's happened on this show earlier.
Are you serious?
Yeah, this is a Swayamvar theme show.
Oh, great. So ours is I never expected this, Ranveer. I thought we'll be talking about like more of spirituality, but we went into shadi.
Yeah. See, like my main TG is women our mom's age.
Mm.
So any actor who's on the show
Yeah.
who's saying they opened a marriage, I feel the parents get very happy with me.
Obviously. Obviously. No, but even my dad sometimes like, beta, now you should think about it. And I'm like,
Yeah.
yeah, little more time.
I've noticed this in my bros my age who are married. It adds like some other level of stability to a
It
guy's life, and I
does.
think it adds that same kind of stability to a girl's life.
100% yes, it does. Because there's no option of, okay, I don't like this.
Yeah.
It's not that easy to leave. And somewhere I think it makes you very centered in a way. Not that you're not centered otherwise, you are, but there is a layer of comfort that comes in.
Yeah, it's almost like one's 20s are like the Wild West.
Mm.
You know,
Yeah.
just go out in the world,
Yeah,
see
yeah,
things,
yeah.
see heartbreak,
Yeah.
failure, all that. Then in your 30s, you kind of want what school and college felt like again
Yeah.
in a different way.
I think you do now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I remember in my 20s, I used to dread having kids as
Mhm.
a concept because I was
Mhm.
like, I won't be able to put my mind through what school and college felt like again.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now at 32, I'm hungry for it again.
Oh, you want kids as
Yeah, yeah.
well. How lovely, Ranveer. I think you'll be a great dad, by the way.
Yeah. I'm a little scared I might be kathor as a dad.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think you'll be a bit strict?
I really think so. I'm
Yeah.
scared for my own kids, but I'll try balancing it out.
But maybe you'll get someone who's like very soft, so you'll balance it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. The both of you.
the
That's also important in a way, though.
The most like important thing my
Mhm.
parents have done for me when I was amongst like I can write a
Yeah.
book on this, but
yeah.
the one thing that stands out more than anything is that my mom saw I was a very high energy kid and put me into martial arts. And she
Lovely.
egged it on. You know, said,
Yeah.
keep going, keep going.
Yeah.
And I went to like a very good level in martial arts, and then I stopped the martial
Mhm.
arts. But what it left me with was this like really like fighter disciplined mentality.
Discipline and that.
Everything good came from that mentality.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'll want to put guy, girl, doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Go into martial arts.
Yeah, martial arts and dancing.
Yeah.
So my parents put me into ballet, which is a very different, not a normal form of dance that people would put their kids in. So I've learned ballet for 8 years, and really discipline, hard work, it all comes from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had Vidyut Jamwal on the show
Mhm.
some time ago.
Yeah.
And I first asked him about yoga and stretching.
Mm-hmm.
And he said that both martial arts and dance is like yoga in motion.
Yeah, absolutely. Very well said.
Shift something inside you.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Yeah. Also, the world's becoming a fitter place.
Yeah,
so-
and it also brings in a lot of confidence in you, I feel. Where when you're younger, then it's not about, oh, which car am I going in or which brand t-shirt am I wearing. It's more about what am I?
I'm the brand.
Yeah, I want to instill that in my kids.
Hmm.
So no business class tickets, no nothing.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
going to
same
be
here.
about
Yeah.
what are you, how talented, not even how talented, you're loved unconditionally, but what are you, what are your skills?
Yeah. You
Yeah.
know, the challenge is how do you give a rich baby
Mhm.
a middle class mindset so that it
Very
can
well said.
live through and maintain its own richness?
It's so important, I feel. Very, very important. Yeah.
Yeah. Fatherhood and motherhood.
So we've spoken about marriage, kids, huh? Instilling the right sanskars.
This is the conversation I would have had with you even if I met you at a party.
I think so, na?
But-
But imagine we met at a party, we would be speaking like this for like such a long time. But it's very rare that you meet people that you can really engage with and have a conversation with.
Yeah.
Especially for me, very difficult.
Yeah. No. Again, one of those episodes that I knew was going to happen.
Yeah.
Honestly, even before you had messaged. I'd seen you
Really?
on Reynolds' show back in the day.
Reynolds, I remember. Oh my
In,
God.
like 2017 or 2018.
Yeah, that was my initial entry into this world, na?
Munna Michael's
Munna
time,
Michael,
right?
yeah.
And my thought that point was, need to host Nidhi on the show at
Yeah.
some point.
How sweet. So it's taken a good 8 years, 7 years?
Took
7,
its
8
time.
years. It took its time, but divine timing.
Could have spoken to you for 6 more hours.
I think so, because there's
Ah.
so much I feel like I still have to say, but great, yeah.
You know, man, at the end of this, I'd just like to say I'm looking forward to your next 2-3 years.
I thought you're looking forward to my marriage.
Marriage also. I'm looking forward to attend.
I'm kidding.
I think the next 2-3 years of your life
Yeah.
are going to be very magical. And I say that because I feel everyone's external world becomes their internal world. And your internal world is like full of magic.
Thank you.
So, like,
Thank
that's
you so much.
what I have felt, what everyone has felt.
Yeah.
Just
thank you.
wish you more peace and spiritual energy that you're accumulating because of whatever practices you're doing.
Yeah.
Because you're definitely doing something,
Yeah.
and it's helping every room that you enter.
Thank
So
you.
thank you.
Ranvi.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Means a
you.
lot.
It was lovely, and I've had the most amazing conversation with you.
Same.
You're a lovely person, and you have such a clean aura and such a clean heart, and you work so hard. It's not easy to make it, to where you've made it to. So I'm super proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you. That means a lot. That means a lot. Hope to see you again over the years.
Yes, for sure.
Thanks for watching TRS Clips. Make sure to explore the channel. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे clips upload करे हैं. You'll keep working out your brain as you keep exploring the channel.